here's the picture you're starting with, and here's what your goal will be. If you can do these things, you're going to be able to create your own avatar next week. Alright, so here's what I'm going to start with. The very first thing I noticed, I'm going to work from the bottom up, is the grass. So on mine, that shape was a rectangle, so I need to put in a rectangle. Anytime I need to put something in, I insert, so up here. All of these things are options when you're creating your own avatar, but I'm looking for that shape. Shape again, and here's that rectangle. This is going to tell me how big it is. So I'm going to start and drag all along the bottom so it looked like it would be grass. Now, if I click out of it, it's no longer selected. Well, that doesn't look like my picture. So I'm going to select it, and I want to fill this with green. So if I'm filling something, I'm pouring it. So here's the pouring. I'm going to click down, and grass is green. You can pick whatever color. Now it doesn't look exactly like my picture. My tree was in front before. So I want to move this tree. You can't just move it by dragging it. That doesn't work. I need to lay it on top of the grass so I see it. So what I'm going to do, you have two buttons on your mouse, the left and the right. I'm going to put my fingers on the mouse pad, right click, making sure that my tree was selected, having the blue box around it, then hit order. I'm going to bring it forward. I want to bring it on top. Now my tree is sitting a lot more like it was in my goal picture. What else I need is that little bird. You can put in whatever bird. So I'm going to open up a new tab. I'm going to search for bird. I'm going to look for images. And now you just kind of pick what bird you want. So let's see if I can find a funny one. I'm going to have this bird. He's flying. I'm going to click on it so it's big. So here again is where you're going to use that right click. I'm going to right click and hit copy image. Now, when I go back to my presentation by looking at my tabs, I can't right click anymore. If I hit right click and paste, it tells me what I'm going to do. So I'm going to do Control V to paste it in there. So on your computer, Control V. The bird comes up, but the bird is way too big. So I need to shrink it down by making sure the blue box is around it and dragging it down. And now I can put it somewhere in the tree. He'll be flying on this branch. Alright, next thing was having the sky be blue. So if I want, I can make my whole slide blue. That's the background. Well, right here you see change background. You could do an image, okay? That would be searching it. Or you can choose a color, and I'm just going to do a color, so I'm going to pick blue. Then I hit done. So you can see my whole background is blue. Now your goal was to have your name in yellow. So here I'm going to replace name with my actual name. And anytime I want to recolor something, what I need to do is click inside the box so I see that cursor, hold my left key down, and drag over it. And I'm going to change this one to yellow. So where you see that letter, you want it to be yellow. So you drop down, pick your color. All right, good luck.